Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden. It's Sunday and we're out in our yard. We're gonna do some winter mulching, but first we gotta weed.
I know, we're gonna show you guys, we've got this giant mulch pile. I don't know if you've been watching for a while. We've had this pile for
like since June.
Like months. Yeah. And we keep like using it, but we haven't cleared it all out. And we need to make room for our upcoming dahlia beds. We're gonna have a whole garden kind of below this area.
Yeah, right in the middle of it. So we're gonna move some mulch today and you get to watch. So guys, we're gonna go over here. We're gonna show you where we're gonna weed today, and we're gonna show you where we're gonna throw the mulch down.
We're gonna take a little walk up into our garden and our front yard here. We'll show you the area we're gonna work on. So we've got some pretty, we've got some empty beds all over. We haven't really done anything with that yet.
Yep, it's right over here, guys. So we've got, this is kind of our no man's land. We try to keep it up, but it's out of sight, out of mind. So today we're gonna weed this with our hula hoe, get it all cleaned up, and then we're gonna throw down some arborist mulch and get it looking really good.
And you know what? This whole area was actually featured in a section in our book coming up. Our book comes out on March 9th.
Oh yeah.
And we still haven't like landscaped or done anything with this area yet. So that'll come later. Yep. But like Sean said, we wanna get it all cleaned up, get the mulch laid down, and then we'll plan the landscape later.
Definitely, yeah. And you know, guys, you can weed during the winter time as long as your soil's workable. There's nothing wrong with getting out and doing some weeding and getting those weeds up and then throwing down some mulch. Any time of year, mulching and weeding, good stuff. So guys, here we are. You can see we did all the weeding and we got the mulch down. Looks pretty good, yeah.
And of course, as we're moving the mulch, it started pouring down rain. So the mulch is even heavier. So we're trying to hurry and kind of get it down.
So guys, leave any comments and questions down below for us. We love hearing from you. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
And we'll be back tomorrow with our next garden care video. So come on by to see what we're up to and have a great day, you guys.
Have a great day, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.